Hey guys, Virgil or Crazy Cyber. So I just uploaded a video of me going through my Ender 3 and refreshing everything, giving it a good clean. We reloomed the absolute mess, and I mean mess, of wiring that I had collected over the years, changing components and upgrading and just never pulling the old wires out of the loom. I was just so obsessed with getting it working that, I didn't want to take the time to rewire, do anything, just put the new stuff on, start printing. And maybe you can relate, maybe you can't, but that's what happened. And so the video I just uploaded to the channel is going to be a two-part series in which the first video contains redoing the Ender, getting everything nice and clean, fresh loom, fresh heat shrink, and making the wiring look a lot prettier than it did. So that is part one of that video. The second part is going to be we're completely redoing the setup itself, which entails vinyl wrapping the box that the printer sits on, as well as giving that a good clean, figuring out a better way to mount the spool roller. And finally, probably the most exciting part, at least for me, is we're going to be using Gridfinity in order to organize the box and get it looking really crispy. And this will be part of an ongoing effort to make the lab what I've always dreamed of it being. Now, before I finished filming that video, after I had started and we said that we were going to clean up the box, I tidied up the factory a little bit. And I purchased this. All of this, except for the paint and the Sec Plus flashcards, obviously. All of this I bought off Facebook Marketplace for $50. This didn't have a top. I paid $5 for it. This top was $25 at Lowe's. Really $20 because I bought some hardware and stuff. And this printer I purchased for $25. And you'll see when you watch the video, I made a bold claim about Facebook Marketplace and the type of 3D printing you can get for under $100. And then before the video was even finished, I proved myself 100% right. So now this kind of throws a wrench into the plans for the 3D printing, the lab remodel, because now I have two printers and I need a bigger space and this won't fit in the lab. So we're going to have to do some thinking and some